So I'll be showing you how to allow Instagram access to your photos and videos on your iPhone. You might be trying to upload, and every time you try, you can see currently I don't have access to my photos and videos. To grant that access, get out of Instagram and then go to settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to Instagram. Go to the apps section until you get Instagram. So if you tap on Instagram, you're gonna open the Instagram settings page and you'll see photos at the top. Basically allow Instagram to access all the stuff. At the top there we have photos. So I'm gonna tap on that and you can see it's currently set to none. I can choose limited access, which will basically allow me to choose specific albums that I want Instagram to access. But then also I can cancel that and give full access, and that's going to give full access. So I'll just confirm by tapping on allow full access, and that's going to grant Instagram full access to my photos and videos. So I can pick a photo or a video from any album. Now you can exit out of that, and you'll notice now when you go back to Instagram, try to upload something, and as you can see now I have access to all my photos and all my videos. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.